directives?
Okay, so directive is nothing but we have the multiple types of the directive. So component is component also one kind of the directive we have into the Angular. So but the difference between normal directive and the component directive is nothing but the component had its own template. So and while talking about the normal directive, it don't have any templates. So while talking about the directive only, we have a structural directive and the attributable directive. So while talking about the structural directive, suppose I want to do some manipulation inside the DOM or depend upon some condition. So at that time we prefer to use a structural directive. So we have multiple structural directive, then ng class, then ng if, then ng for we use most of time. So these are the structural directive to make the changes into the DOM. And talking about the behavioral directive, so suppose I want to create a dynamic button for the success state and the danger state or a cancel state. So what I can do, I will pass some directive over there and I will pass some value to it. So depend upon the whatever value we are passing to that directive, it will change the color for that. So that the button will be a host listener for us, and whatever changes we are doing into the directive, that will be the host binding for us. So with the help of that, we can achieve the two different states of the colors over there. So we don't need to write some CSS for the multiple places. So with the help of that directive, we can achieve some kind of the things.